Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, this is part 2 of playing games with my friend. I don't think he can see me. Gavin! Bubz! Bubz, I cannot hear you. I can't hear you, Bubz. Hello? Hello? Yeah. I did. I broke it. Hold on, let me try something. I'm gonna kill myself. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Turn on your mic! Turn on your mic! Hello? Hello? I'm in... Oh, wait. I can't hear you. 1 minute. I fixed it. I just unmuted my tab. I hear you.
Hi. I don't hear you, Alex.
Uh-oh. Don't say anything bad. That's Liam. That's Liam.
Yeah.
Anyways. Yeah.
Or do. Your stuff's also in here.
Thank you. Thanks. Man, this car's going... Where
Where did you even find the machete breaker? How? Why is there just a machete in this room?
Don't touch it!
Okay. Why not?
Because...
Why is it in here?
You're in my dad's room. I don't know.
No, we're not. We're in... Okay. We're in your sister's room.
Oh.
She's supposed to have a machete or something?
I don't know.
She trying to get Jason Voorhees.
Yes, probably.
Voorhees? Yeah. It's not how it's pronounced, is it? It's Jason Voorhees, isn't it? Yeah.
Voorhees. Oh, I got the mic glitch working.
I always have it on.
I'm mining, bro. I'm mining miners. Hello? I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Oh.
There you go.
It stopped working.
Yeah.
Minecraft in the cave looking for diamonds. Huh, that's funny. I'm in the same cave looking for miners. What? Are you recording?
What was that?
Yeah, I'm recording my YouTube video, Liam. Okay. That was Liam. That was Liam.
Apparently we can't talk while sleeping.
Yeah, it sucks. I thought we figured that out last time.
We didn't. Also, I'm dying of hunger, so like, can we get some food?
What?
dying of hunger.
Well then, I know how to solve the hunger crisis.
Okay, whoa. Whoa. You back up.
Gavin. Gavin, I can't hear you.
Come in closer, I hit enter.
What does enter do?
It put me into creative mode for a second. Stay back. Back.
Okay, I'll stay back. Let's just murder these sheep.
They don't give food.
They don't?
No.
Uh-oh. Ouch.
Remember, mutton hasn't been a thing.
Z. C. Oh, wait. You're out of my talking distance. Hello? Gavin?
What? What?
Where are you?
I'm at the house.
There you
I'm
are.
At the hole.
You're at the hole that's in the side of this mountain.
I missed.
Uh-oh. He doesn't know.
Okay.
He doesn't know.
What did I come up? Oh,
Hello? Yeah!
don't do anything stupid.
Ah! I was just snowball.
I was just writing down coordinates.
Why? Oh! No! Don't leave! Don't leave me!
Are you okay?
Don't leave me!
Goodbye.
No!
Goodbye.
No! I don't want to do the depression arc already! There he goes. There he goes. Your mic is off! Your mic is off. Go to global. Go to global. Your mic is off. I still can't hear you.
Why do you go into this chat?
Because I need to be able to hear you nonetheless. I don't want to do the depression arc alone.
You're gonna do the depression arc. Goodbye.
No! Why'd you leave me alone?
Is that Liam?
You're... No. No!
Oh,
It's gone.
sniffing then. Where is
I'm singing. But now, I am alone. See you next episode, I guess. I mean, I guess I can still talk to you, but like, you know, I can't look at you. I can only look at sheep. Sheep. Anyways. Liam, are you okay? I'm not falling for that.
what?
I'm not falling for that.
Food.
I can't. Liam, what are you doing?
You're gonna fall for it.
Liam, what are you doing?
You're gonna fall for it at some point. Go.
Okay. That's not good. I gotta go find a tree. Man. Kevin left me. Kevin left me for another man. Ouch. Ugh, big tree. I like the small trees. There are so many sheep. The sheep remind me of him. Could you back here? Could you come back?
No,
Okay,
I can't come back. I'm cooking food.
fair enough. Dang.
I've got myself food. Can you hear me?
Why was that so close to the mic?
I don't know.
Okay.
It might be because I turned up the mic.
Dude, there's so many sheep. This is an unnatural amount of sheep. And yes, I know I'm not talking to Gavin. I know I'm talking to you guys, not viewers. Or viewer, should I say.
Yo, can you still hear me?
God, why is that so loud?
Why are you so loud?
Bro, that's so loud. Quit being loud.
Am I still loud?
Not really.
Am I loud?
No.
Cool. We're just gonna sit like this the entire time in global chat.
Cool.
Unless we go back near each other, then we're gonna use
Yeah,
proximity.
yeah. But depression arc says we can't.
Oh, you're gonna go through that depression arc.
Yeah, which is really sad because it's depression and all. Stupid Gavin. Pathetic. Stupid Gavin. Who else am I supposed to look at? I can't do the funny. I can only do this with sheep. Oh, whoa, that's a trip.
In here?
There are too many sheep. I'm going insane. There's a brown one, there's a white one. There's a black one, there's a
Yeah, I have
pink
some
one.
food.
Sweet, I have wood.
Yeah, that's not cooler than food.
God, why'd that sound so weird?
What?
You're talking, it like went out for a second.
Yo, man, you wanna hear this word? You wanna hear a cool word I just learned?
What?
Fuck.
Huh?
Yeah.
Cuss words are funny when they're not fully said.
They are.
Not really.
They are extremely funny.
Well, I guess if no one's here to stop me, I guess I'll just go kill myself.
No, don't do that.
Oh, did I accidentally say that? Oops. Well,
Yes, you
here I go jumping.
Don't you dare.
Oops. Whoopsie poopsie.
God, don't worry.
Oh, you won't.
I'm
You'll
coming
never,
back.
you'll never come back.
Yeah, you're right. I'm leaving. Really? Really now?
I'll be back.
That's
1
how
minute. 1 minute. Yeah, I'm going AFK on my video. Yeah, what do you do?
Logs. Let's go. Ooh.
I hope you haven't entertained my viewers. Were you entertained? I hope you entertained them.
I said absolutely nothing the entire time.
Bruh!
I just like hummed to myself.
Cringe.
You're cringe.
Uh-oh. Oh. Ouch.
Prick.
I didn't. You can't say that!
They don't know what it means. So
My viewers aren't children.
what?
My viewers aren't children.
Yeah, but don't like they're adult. Don't like they're British.
Uh-oh,
Don't
I
like
broke
they know what that means.
I broke my bed. I can't die.
I didn't even spell it right.
Cool.
Or did I? Wait, did I actually accidentally spell it right?
I'm just gonna mine.
Wait, don't do that.
What do you mean
You're
don't
gonna
do
die.
that? I'm mining.
You were going to die.
I'm not mining straight down. What do you think I am? Stupid?
Yeah. I
Ouch.
do think you would.
Oh,
I do
why
think
did
you
he?
dig straight down.
Why did he say that?
It'd be funny. You'd probably just do it for a bit, actually.
Why did he do that? Why did he say it? Man, I don't want to just stay on a black screen.
Do 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 do.
Who actually
Stop
watches?
dying.
Shut up, Gavin! Oh my god, you're interrupting me. And yes, I know he cannot hear me. It's just funny. But ouch, she didn't have to say that. It went silent. I can hear him talking upstairs. Why is he?
I'm not so smart. I walked 400 blocks away from where I was supposed to go.
Troll.
And you know what? I'm not gonna talk to you until I get back. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Wait, switch up. God, I can't see anything. Oh, that's right. That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna cook. We need to cook. My name is Walter. My name is Wafflesy Gaming. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. It's alright. Here comes the sun. Do do do. It's alright. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. It's alright. Here I am waiting for Bubz. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Here comes my friend. Do 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 do. It's alright. Do 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 do. I don't think I can keep up singing like this forever. What am I supposed to do for content? Gavin, why'd you make me lost? How? I don't have content for my viewers now. How else am I supposed to keep you guys occupied? Occupado, you know? I'm supposed to keep you guys occupied. Sleep? Oh, yeah. Oh, did he go to bed? He did. Oh God, when is Gavin? Where's Gavin? Gavin! The viewers need content, and I cannot provide said content. Here comes The sun. What's a non-copyrighted music? Obviously. You like non-copyrighted music? Well, listen to this. It's alright. Is this how you make torches? Yeah, that's how you make torches. What are you doing? You are messing with stuff. I'm messing with words. Ouch! 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 Stole my toe. Where is he? Where's my one and only? Where are you, content creator? You are more experienced with YouTube.
Where are you, Kanye? Where are you?
Yeah, what my friend said. How deep does this hole go? Oh! Where are you? Have you returned?
I'm right up here.
You have returned! Turn around and crouch.
Why?
Food! Just do it.
Why can't I? Why?
Turn around. Do it for the bit.
Fine. Get up here. Why can't I just look at you while crouching?
Just turn around. Just turn around. It would be funny. It'll be funny.
Fine. Okay. 1 sec. Are you done?
You didn't crouch.
Do I have to?
Yes. Do for the bit.
No.
I'll give you a stone. Do for the bit.
Why do you want me to crouch?
Do it. You won't. No
You're
balls.
right.
No! Ouch! I didn't hit you with a sword!
What can you hit me with then?
That's not a sword.
This?
Ow! Yes, I hit you with this.
What? What did you hit me with? Oh, okay.
Ow! No! Hey, I'm not hitting you with the sword. No, my sword!
Thank you.
No!
I needed to repair my sword.
No, I need my sword.
I used it to repair my sword.
No! I need my sword.
You don't need your sword.
No, you're right. I'll just make some more torches. He doesn't know I'm making a sword.
Don't do that. Look me in the eye.
Okay.
Stare this character into the eyes. How much health do you want?
Not a lot.
Ah, so you're telling me if I should, you know.
Oh! Don't. Back up.
Wait, quit it. Quit it, quit it, quit it.
It's not that
I'm
long.
half a heart!
Oh no! Oh no! That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and all that jazz. Goodbye.